Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Unidays ID. To begin, navigate to the official Unidays website or download their mobile application from your device's app store. You will need to be a currently enrolled student at a recognized institution and have access to your academic email address for the initial setup. This ensures you meet the basic eligibility criteria before proceeding with the registration process. Once you're on the Unidays platform, click on the Join Now or Register button. You'll then be prompted to enter your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and the name of your educational institution. After filling out this information, you will receive a verification email. Make sure to check your inbox, and sometimes your spam folder, to click the confirmation link and proceed to the next step of securing your student account. The crucial step is verifying your student status. Unidays offers several convenient methods for this. You can typically verify instantly by logging in through your institution's portal or by using your academic email address. In some cases, you might need to upload a document, such as a student ID card or a letter of enrollment. This process usually takes only a few minutes, but document uploads might require up to 3 business days for manual review by their team. Congratulations, your Unidays ID is now active. You can immediately start exploring hundreds of exclusive discounts across various categories like fashion, technology, food, and entertainment. Simply browse the offers on the website or app, click on the desired discount, and follow the instructions to redeem it, often by generating a unique code or clicking through to the retailer. Enjoy saving money on your favorite brands with your new student privileges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.